Hey guys, we got a 2016 Ford F-150 King Ranch. We're going to be looking for the programming slot. I found it and it's underneath there, if you can see that. That's where the fob goes when it dies, so you can still start the vehicle, but also for programming. So I'm going to set this here so I can gently lift this up so nothing falls down in there. Oh, it's kind of nasty too. Oops, there we go. Now, this way or this way. Okay, now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go under vehicle, go under smart key, push start. F-150, 2015 to 19. Well, it looks like there's two options, 2015 and up or 2015 to 19. It should be the same, but some systems are different. Depends on if it's a regular ignition, because some of the F-150s have a flip key, regular ignition. Some of them have push start. We already got two keys in the system and we're going to add a key. Turn the hazard lights on. Wait about 3 minutes for the data to be read. Sanitize my hands after this. It says 3 minutes, but I've estimated that it takes about a minute, not even. Yeah, it doesn't take 3 minutes. I don't think it's even been 30 seconds. It's already halfway. So I put their key in there. And I'm going to, their key fob, and I'm going to put this one in there. Take out the package, okay. Place the key you want to program in the programming slot, which is this new one. This is the original one that I'm going to be using. Communicating. I think if it works instantly, yeah, you'll hear the doors lock and unlock within like 5 seconds. And it says programming success, no, end of programming, and then we should see 3 keys. Yep, 3 keys. We had 2 before. It's always good to know how many keys you got programmed before you do it. And never do all keys lost. Always add a key, just so you know. I don't like my videos lasting this long. I'm trying to make all my new videos as short as possible, but there you go. You see everything from start to finish and the programming location of the slot. I'm not going to put that back in there. I'm going to let them do that because it's quite messy. And thanks for watching.